Hello, I am Birendra Das, Assistant Professor of Krishna Chandra College, Hetompur, Birbhum, West Bengal. I have selected my seminar presentation topic is My Mom Had One Eye Only. The word mother cannot be defined properly. Mother is a woman who is in relation to a child to whom she has given birth. The meaning of being a mother is virtually endless. A mother is a protector, disciplinarian, and friend. A mother is a selfless, loving human who must sacrifice many of their wants and needs for the wants and needs of their children. Being a mother is perhaps the hardest, most rewarding job a woman will ever experience. In today's session, I am going to discuss an emotionally attached story named My Mom Had One Eye Only, which is closely associated with the sacrifice of a mother. The writer of the story is not clearly known. The setting of the story is a small village in Korean and Seoul, the capital city of Korean. Two characters, a son who is very mean to his mother and a very kind mother who loves her son very much and are willing to do anything for him. The main issue around which the story is textured in the son is ashamed of his mother's physical condition and poverty. If we divide the story into three events, the first event we can notice that the mother come to her son's school and the son felt embarrassed. In the second event, the son left his hometown and went to Seoul to become a successful man. And finally, in the third event, the man came into his old house, found a letter from his mother. After reading the letter, the man realized that he has been so fortunate to have such a wonderful mother who has given him the world. The texture and description of the story is beyond questions. It is closely connected to every reader's. The way of expression is excellent, using simple and lucid language made the story charming. It is full of twists and curiosities. All the curiosities and suspension become revealed at the end of the story. In this story, one thing is clear: a mother's love is unconditional and eternal. When we say that nature is wise, one of the things that we refer to is the bond between mother and child. A mother's instinct to protect her child begins from the time she knows she is pregnant. Over the following 9 months, although she is yet to see her child, he or she becomes the most precious thing in the world. Mother's unconditional love is known as affection without any limitation, or love without conditions. Mothers teach us to have confidence and belief in ourselves. They are special because they would round the clock without any complaint to keep you happy. They carve their desire to fulfill your and do everything for their family and children. Here in the story, here in the story, the same thing happened. The mother sacrificed her eyes because of her child, but the child became embarrassed because his mother had one eye only. Mother is a living God, and most of us did not realize that. A mother's love and affection cannot be compared with any else. What we learn from the story today, you are here just because of your friends. Never disrespect them, don't ignore and underestimate their sacrifice. They give us life, they raise us better than they have been, and they give and keep trying to give better than they ever had. They never was unwell for their kids, even in their wildest dreams. They always try to show a right path and being a motivator. They give up all for their kids, for give all mistakes made by kids. There is no way to repay what they had done for kids. The one-eyed mother story expounds often moral messages. Never ever hate anyone for their disabilities. Never disrespect your parents. All we can do is try to give him what they need, and it is just time, love, and respect. Thank you.